So I didn't show you guys this because last night was a little bit crazy, but Chantel finished her little beanie hat for her sister.
Yay!
Yay! There's the pom-pom on top. It turned out amazing. Look at that. It's like a perfect pom-pom. I love the stitch work here.
Waffle stitches!
It's so cool. Do you like your new hat your sister gave you? She made that.
Oh dear. Oh
It's
dear.
not going to fit over that.
Oh dear.
Oh my. Yeah, we'll do it later when you don't have a ponytail in, okay?
It's for a slouch beanie kind of thing.
Yeah, it's super cute. Way creative, this one. Good job, Shan. Looks fab. Cody, let me see your new collar. Let me see this bow. Oh my gosh, and it could look like a bow tie. Hold on. This is terrible camera work. Here, let me see. Let me see. Oh, I can't see it with you like that. Oh, maybe go get Daddy. Go get Daddy.
Cody, come.
So if you pick him up or something.
I know what you want.
That way I can see him and his cute little bow. Cody, let me see your bow.
It's right here.
Oh, let me see your bow. He's hiding it. Oh, that's okay. No, it doesn't show up in there. You can't really see it.
It's just got scruffy.
Yeah.
He's too scruffy.
He's too floofy, but that's okay. Go that way.
Cody,
Wants to be
a haircut.
Wants to be my mommy. Oh my gosh, hold on. What you doing, bud? Come on. I want to see your cute little collar. Come on. I can't really see it, but I know it's there. I know it's there and you're excited. Yes, you are. I saw it for just a second, dog. Look at that. Oh, I saw it. Cool. You look super cute. While it is not snowing, yes, folks, we do have a white Christmas this year. Yay! And in a couple days, it's supposed to be snowing some more, so we'll get hit with more, possibly. But we do have a white Christmas. Merry Christmas. So here's the parental's Christmas tree. It always looks so beautiful. So I wanted to show off their Christmas tree. Look at this, so pretty. All the way to the tippy top. We've got an angel. It's hard to see. There we go. Yay! Beautiful angel. Look at all this. So pretty. Always had such a beautiful tree. Love it. There's Chantel. Looking so cute in her reindeer outfit. Yes. Where's your guys' nativity? Let's go on the hunt for a nativity.
Oh, found it. Mm-hmm.
I want to see their nativity.
Can I try something?
There's their nativity set. Oh, I love it. Merry Christmas! Grandpa and Grandma have made us a wonderful Christmas breakfast. Look at this. It's so fancy. You guys excited? I know, look at the table. Everything looks so nice. It's gonna be so good. We have pancakes. There's pancakes there, little smokies, some eggs, and we have bubbly, guys. We have bubbly for breakfast.
Sparkling
That's exciting. Yes, it is sparkling cider.
And this amber is for both of you.
Ooh, a present for us both.
Yeah, you have to empty. Open that one together.
Look at this. Yay. I love this paper. That's super pretty.
I knew it was mine.
Caden, you got a gift as well.
Amber.
Thank you.
I was looking at those
from my
two
mommy and
things
my
of ham that
daddy.
we bought.
We're solving
Why don't you sit on the couch?
You're working on solving it?
Yes!
How far did you get?
I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
Oh, okay.
I just got the cross, which is like the first step. Right. Can I go first? Now you have to solve
Oh, I like it. That thing is super cute.
Yeah, that's kind of where it gets a little bit.
Look at that.
Fuzzy, fuzzy socks.
Fuzzy, fuzzy socks.
Okay, what's next?
Let's see what's in the box. Uh-oh, it's falling out. What did you get?
Some pants.
Some pants.
Oh, you needed those.
Look at that, you got some pants.
Grab the box.
What else is in there?
Put the boxes to the side and the trash in another
Oh,
place.
that's adorable. That is so cute.
It's the cutest tree.
It'll fit him for now, and as long as he doesn't have
That's
another
adorable.
growth spurt.
New socks!
They come and go, don't they?
Yay!
What's that?
Oh, something else in your box? What is that? I don't know either. Yay! All right, Chantel.
Alright.
What is here? What do we have?
Has a
A
nice
hoodie.
sweater shirt.
Ooh,
Oh,
that's
just a sweater.
pretty.
Okay.
Like that.
Color.
I want to see how the color looks.
Oh, she looks good in that color.
Oh, good. I thought
Yeah, that's
Oh, yeah,
pretty.
Good color, good color. And then fuzzy socks.
Dun dun dun. Oh, those are
Those
cute.
are like,
Those are
you got 2 pairs
cute.
of socks this year, Shan.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
I
did.
got
I
her
almost never get socks.
I'm jelly.
Some fuzzy socks.
I like the stripies.
Yeah.
Yes.
color were they?
I think I know what I got.
You get one?
Yeah, I got a
You got one.
Yes, y'all have pretty trees.
Yay. Everybody gets a tree like Oprah.
Yeah.
You can have one, you
I
can
just
have
wanna
one,
point
everybody
out
gets
that
one.
You guys told him, but he wasn't paying attention.
Those are so cute. That's okay. Instead, you got a book.
Fuzzy socks.
Look at you got polka dots.
It's almost
They're like the opposite of Caden's.
yeah, like red
exactly.
dots and green, like green dot. Mine is like.
I bet
red
you got a
dots
green
and red
shirt.
dots.
A green shirt.
Okay. Oop.
But
Ooh, you got a
Well,
blue
the reason I
one.
would have said green is because he got
Pretty.
red with red, green with green. You know,
I like it.
I would have done that.
Shan
Well,
got
there is
purple with
green.
red and white.
Hope you don't break a nail.
What's that?
I said, I hope you don't break a nail opening.
Oh. I don't know. You taped it pretty good there. I had to sneakily get into that.
Well, I had to build a box.
Yes, you did. Oh, I can get into this, I think. Ooh, there's stuff in here.
red and white fuzzy.
I got fuzzy socks too.
Everybody got some fuzzy socks.
I hope you get a pair. These are so soft.
We got Bill a pink pair.
You got pink ones?
You guys really know what colors I like, don't you? Pink is good. Pink is good.
What is this? Oh, this is so cute.
A Christmas pillow.
Look at this.
Oh,
Chickadees on it.
Aww.
Look
Love
at that.
This box. Put them in that
Oh
box.
my gosh, these are adorable. These are so cute. Look at these little peppers.
Oh my God.
You're in peppers.
That is so cute.
She really does love them.
I do. They'll sit on the edges. Look at this.
And let me zoom in on that.
Those are so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at his little face.
Put them down next to the other guy.
How cute. Guys, these are adorable. Thank you.
Hold them way out. All the way.
Is there another one?
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
Pull the other one out.
Oh my god, they're so
That's
cute.
Four.
Ooh,
You
they're
got,
so
you have that
cute.
one on upside down.
Oh, I love
Aria?
them. Thank you.
Aria.
Let's check out your socks.
Hang on. Right here. Will.
That's your box.
It says it belongs to me now.
My box had Amber on
So
my
even
box.
if you wanted to keep it, you couldn't because it's mine now. It says Will. It's got my name on it.
Willie.
Will.
Willie do
It is a shirt.
It
I
is?
told you I'd get a shirt.
Ooh, a new work shirt.
New work shirt, that's right.
And it is tall, so
change this.
So it'll be good.
it should fit the tall.
Yay. Where's your socks?
No socks.
Oh,
No pink socks.
no pink socks for you.
You open up that side, I'll open up this side.
Whoa. I see something. Wait. Look at what it says. I know I'm going to love this. Open it.
It says nativity.
Seriously?
Yeah. How many of these are we gonna have?
Is it really?
6?
Wait a second.
You guys get like an
Take this out.
Count again.
No.
7?
No.
That's better. I was afraid you couldn't.
Hold on. I'm excited about this one.
It's taped all the way around, look.
Oh my gosh, it really is the folded TV. Thank you. This is my favorite brand. I love these.
You can add pieces to it.
I love this one. These are all the ones.
I know.
I love
You got this as
these.
sisters, huh?
You guys. I love this one. I love it. I love it.
Well, I thought
Thank you. Here is a Christmas hawk in tree. Look at this. I'm gonna zoom up as close as I can. Oh, he's gonna go. All right, I got him before he left, guys. Arya and Dada have been putting together her gourmet kitchen set, and they said it's all done.
Let's turn it around so Mommy can see.
I'll come over here.
Okay.
I want to check it out. What's her handiwork? What have we done? Ooh.
These handles on these.
You had to put the handles on?
Well, the handles were on, but
Wow.
Look at that. That yummy food.
she's got some salmon cooking with her.
Her candies.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks so good. How cute.
And it's got little things, you know, like.
Are you super
hanging
excited?
things to hang your utensils from, a little basket to keep all extra stuff in.
It's kind of cute.
Yeah, she's got plates, forks.
Wow, it went together good.
Skittles.
And then the boys are trying out Terraria. Is that what it is?
Yep.
So they're trying out Hayden's new game.
Attacked by demon eyes.
Yeah, so they're having fun.
Mommy, look at some of these.
Chantel is in her room watching Titanic, I think. I'm kind of messing around and editing videos. And then I gotta get started on making some side dishes for dinner tonight. My parents are coming over around 5 or so, and we're gonna have a Christmas dinner here, so that'll be real nice.
Skittles.
So yeah, fun stuff. It is Christmas Day, and it's the hustle and bustle, putting things together. Where are we gonna put that, honey? Whoop. Sorry, dog. Oh man, we're gonna have to carve out a space for that, I think.
Oh, you've been home.
It'll be back there somewhere with all her goodies.
Mommy, look at this yummy food.
Oh,
no.
yummy. Wow. Uh-oh says uh-oh. That's not good.
Okay.
What's an uh-oh, Papa?
I spilt all her candies.
Oh, we have a candy fatality. That's all right. Oh, man, it's all sunny outside, and it is melting all the snow. Look at that, it's melting. Aww. We're supposed to be getting snow in the next couple days, though, so maybe it'll look good. No, it's not raining. It's melting off of our... Arya, it's melting. Melting off of our roof. Yeah, it's melty. Okay. We have the new bedding on the new bed stuff. What do we got here? This one's Caden's.
Yep.
Looks nicer.
Here, I should probably do the
Yeah,
top
looks
one.
good.
I'm doing a little trial. See
What kind of trial?
Like,
Which side do you
One
want to
night-
sleep on?
no, one night I'm going to sleep like on without big doggy as I come, and then the other night I'm going to sleep with him.
You've had that for years.
Yeah, I'm not sure how it will work out without
So there's
him.
one bed, looking pretty snazzy. I'm gonna give the
Telescope it
camera.
up. Telescope it
No,
up.
I'll just give it to you. I'll let
Okay.
you just do it real quick. This is Ty's bed up here.
Well, I'm going to telescope it up.
He's got his.
At least I think I'm going to.
No, it takes a little more than you think it does.
Apparently it
Just
does.
use your hand.
Okay.
Just
So-
show his bed here.
Boom. On the other side, we have the creeper with a tss. Everybody who
Doesn't
plays
explode.
Minecraft knows exactly what they're talking about. To make
Got his bed all.
boom
nice.
TNT, and
Hey.
you guys might recognize that symbol, but yeah, there's a good picture of it. Creeper bedding there.
Nice.
So
That's what it looks like together. Look at that now. Looking all fancy now. If only I could get you guys to make your beds like that every day.
Yeah, that
Wouldn't that be a trial? It would be amazing. That's right. Keep that in mind. Be amazing. Make your bed. Got a couple of my guys out here working.
come on down here and just
Look at this. Working on getting it all shoveled off. Working so hard, making it look nice. Ooh, good job there, sir.
love you, beautiful.
Love you too, Papa. Working hard, are you?
I'll tell you what. It's quite different between the packs though.
Is this easy to come off, or is it all iced?
It depends. If people have packed it down,
Yeah.
it's iced. But if it's like not been walked on like in areas there,
Yeah.
it's easy.
Well, good luck, guys. Get that all nice. Have fun. I gotta go.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna go work on my stuff.
Go work on your own project.
Yeah, I gotta get working on my own projects. So they're doing their project. I am working on making a green bean casserole for dinner tonight. Caden is helping by cleaning up the house, which is amazing. Chantel, I believe, is in her bedroom watching Titanic. And she's also making me some new dishcloths. She is crocheting me some. But I am starting to work on my green bean casserole. Right now it looks like not a whole lot. Basically I was making a roux here. And yeah, should be good. It's a homemade recipe. It's not the recipe that comes on those French fried onions. It's a little bit different. So it should be good. My parents should probably be here within about a half an hour or so. So yeah, we're just kind of getting the final preparations of hosting a wonderful Christmas dinner. So that's kind of our updates of what we're doing right now. We had a couple hours or so of downtime. Kids were playing games and having fun, and I was editing videos and that kind of stuff. So now it's time to buckle back down and get all this stuff finished. So that's what we're doing right now.